guys, we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all a review on this wig that was sent to me by UNice. If you guys are interested in this wig, interested in the process of applying a headband wig, you guys know that all you gotta do is just stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I decided to do my edges and everything on camera, and I think I'm gonna go with a middle part. So I'm just gonna try to clean this up.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Now I'm about to do my edges, so my hair needs to be washed, okay? Because all this week I've been wearing a headband wig. Yeah, I'm really thinking about perming my edges so that they are easier to lay, because I have not found an edge control combo that does me justice 24/7. Like, I have not. So lately what I've been doing with my edges is using some Pump It Up, and I'm almost out, so I need to get some more. Some Pump It Up and the Extra Firm Hold Even New York. Typically I would use the edge control plus the yellow got to be, but I ran out of yellow got to be, so I'm doing what I can. Doing with what I can. So I'll just spray some of this on my edges and let this like dry a little bit, and then I'll go in on top with the the regular edge control. And this does give me a pretty good hold, so you know, I ain't mad at it. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and slick my hair down. On in with my even.
Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby,
Hey, this is a nice little hairstyle, a little bun in the back, edges swooped. Okay, might have to do this one week, but yeah, my edges are staying down pretty well. They aren't shriveling up or anything, so wig cap is next, and then we're gonna put the wig on. Now y'all know headband wigs are very easy, very simple. I like to put my headband, my stocking cap, a little far back, because the closer up you have your headband wig, the less edges that are going to be out. So that's why I put mine like toward the middle of my head, like basically in the back of my head. As you're already aware, this wig is by UNice Hair. It is their straight headband wig, 20 inches long. It's just a natural brown black color. So yeah, this wig did come with 2 headbands. You have this one and this little granny looking one. This is real giving me like old lady vibes. So that's that. As always, the hair from UNice is super soft, like fine tooth rat tail comb going right through it. I'll just have to straighten it up because, you know, it is in the, was in the box in the bag, so obviously it's not bone straight. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put her on. This thing is long, honey, okay? 20 inches. I know I'm short, so 20 inches be down there on me. So the wig does have a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and a comb in the front, so 4 combs total. It does come with the adjustable band or the adjustable strap, so I'm just gonna put that on the tightest one. You guys, I really do want to dye this hair. I had plans to do it like a multicolor highlight, like light browns, blonde, dark brown, you know, honey blonde, things like that. But I just haven't got around getting to the beauty supply yet to do it. So I was like, I'm not gonna keep prolonging this video. So when I do it, I'm gonna come back and show you. Okay, maybe I should not have put the adjustable straps that tight, but it's okay. Because this wig is kind of snug the way I like it. The comb is like right here. So if you push your head, if you put the comb up here, your headband gonna be like up there. So that's why I put it in the middle of my head, and then I'll just fold this back so that it's, you know, giving what I want it to give. And then I'm just gonna go flat iron it, and then I will be back with you all once I'm done flat ironing it. This hair is really soft, like hella soft.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm. I wanna ride
Alright, guys, I'm back and my hair is straightened. And honestly, it did not take me that long to straighten this wig, put it on, and you know, everything that comes along with applying a headband wig. Now, you guys, like I said, this hair is super soft, like ridiculously soft. And I'm gonna keep saying it again. Any hair that I get from UNice is always soft. Like, I don't have any problems with it. I didn't even have to use a comb or felt like I needed to use a comb when flat ironing it, you know, kind of with the chase method, because the hair is just already like super soft. It just needed the little wrinkles to get out of it from being in the bag. But yeah, this hair is so soft, like my hands just glide right through it. It's this really pretty brown natural color, and I love it. I told you all that this was 20 inches long, and it comes right to like my butt. So it's not too long, but I feel like it's long enough for me. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say about the wig. Like, I feel like headband wigs are so simple, and it's so easy to make them look natural. I don't feel like you have to do too much with headband wigs. They're really effortless. Like, you just throw them on and go. Like I said, I do want to dye this one like a highlighted wig. I'm talking blondes, browns, you know, all of that, the whole 9, just to give it a little bit more oomph. Like, I like brown wigs, but I feel like they're just so basic, and I'm like wanting to get outside of my comfort zone. But yeah, I really love this wig. It's really soft. Like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long because there's not much to say about the wig. It's really simple. Like, no lace to cut, nothing to lay down. You don't even have to wear a wig cap if you don't want to. Like, you just put the wig on and go, okay? And you don't even have to straighten it. If you want it to be more natural looking, you know, like, because when you straighten your hair, it isn't always bone straight. So if you want it to be a little bit more natural looking, look, honey, you don't even got to straighten it, okay? You just throw this wig on and go about your day, all right? I really don't have any complaints, like, at all. Nothing. Nada. Yeah, but before we go, I did want to let you all know that we have officially hit 100, not 100, Girl, you're getting ahead of yourself. I've officially reached 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited to finally share with you all. This is a huge milestone for me, a lot of hard work. I do just want to thank everybody who is watching right now, everybody who has subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Let me know. Okay, please let me know. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button so you can join Kayla's Corner. Okay, but yeah, like I was saying, we have reached 1,000 subscribers and I am very thankful. Okay, on that note, I am going to be doing a giveaway, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a wig giveaway. Not in this video, it's going to be in a video soon, most likely a hair video. I just have to get all of my wigs together and see what the options are and figure out, based on my wigs that I have, how many winners I can choose and things like that. But I do know that the requirements to enter the giveaway are going to be that you have to follow me on Instagram and that you have to be subscribed. So if you're not already doing those 2 things, make sure you go and do that now. My Instagram name will be linked down below. But yeah, you guys, we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, okay? Talk to me, period, nice, okay? Yeah, so I'm very excited about that, very humbled, because I know that I still have a long way to go in order to reach the goals that I have set for myself. But like I said, I'm very happy and thankful for everybody that has subscribed this far, that has told a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, that has showed your mama, your granny, your grandpa, your daddy, whoever. If you have watched any of my videos, I do want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. But yes, that's going to conclude this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about these hairstyles. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you and talk to y'all on my next one. Bye.